Would it shock you to learn that the Salesforce Experience Cloud has had at least 5 different names in its history? I know that it was shocking to me to learn that as of Salesforce Winter 22 release, there are still new release notes for technology that was 2 name generations ago. It was first released 12 years ago, and they sunset it 5 years ago. Stick around to the end of this video to learn this shocking tidbit. My name is Micaiah, and I'm from Chargent. If you are a leader who wants to learn more about payments for your organization, then you are in the right place. And in this video, we are going to review a brief history of portals. Portal technologies from Salesforce, they started in 2004 when Salesforce released the self-service portal for Supportforce. Now, Supportforce we now know as Service Cloud. And this was just a simple tool that was going to allow you to give your customers access to their cases and to be able to find support articles, which then we called solutions. Setup, it was absolutely a breeze, and there was just a few configuration options that were available. One important thing that you should know is that you can reduce your accounts receivable and your collections challenges in Salesforce using Chargent. Learn how Chargent can make your payments configurable and automated, which is going to save you time and money. I want you to download the guide in the description of this video right now. Then, in 2006, Salesforce released the Partner Portal Toolkit. This partner relationship management portal was really the first ever available partner portal. Tech geeks, we had to set up and maintain a Java WAR server to use the toolkit. However, you got quite a bit of flexibility for how you used it. And then it was about 2007 when they released the Partner Portal, which was fully on platform. In the Partner Portal, it had quite a bit more functionality than the toolkit. It was wildly easier to set up, and you could extend it quite nicely. They quickly followed up with their Customer Portal, which was largely based on the same tech as the 2007 Partner Portal. After that, Salesforce completely rewrote portals altogether, and that refactor was released as Salesforce Communities around 2011. And this was a massive step forward. Customers could now accomplish nearly any process they like, as well as matching any branding that they wanted to achieve. Around 2015 or so, Community was rebranded to become Community Cloud. And during that rebranding, I would argue that there was a consistent evolution of the community tech. There was not a marked improvement on the core offering per se. It did bring the portal technology in alignment with the Sales Cloud and the Service Cloud in terms of the naming convention. So I'm sure somebody disagrees with me on this, so feel free to comment away. I can't wait to hear what you have to say. Then, in 2020, they updated the name to be Experience Cloud. And this seems largely due to the reality that Experience Cloud, it's really rather a mature content management system, as well as having all the tools needed to manage an enterprise-grade website. The stack includes many unauthenticated website technology options, and it also is inclusive of the public-facing elements of the Commerce Cloud. While I still call it Communities most of the time myself, I do think that Experience Cloud, it's a pretty smart rebranding effort. And if someone on an elevator asks me, what is Experience Cloud? My reply would be that today it's most easily described as the public-facing pages that are hosted by Salesforce for your organization. And yeah, that's probably an oversimplification. Okay, I promised you that I would tell you about my shocking find from the Winter 22 release notes. The thing that I found shocking was that in the Winter 22 release notes, there's evidence that there are some updates to the Customer Portal, or at least to the user licenses for Customer Portal. Now, it does seem to be the classic UI only version of portals, and to be blunt, I haven't done a lot of research on it. The thing that shocked me was that I was reading this in October 2021. Even the Experience Cloud release notes, they state that these users, they haven't been available for purchase since Summer 13 release. As much as some things change, others seem to be upgraded for more than 7 years after sunset of the feature. All right, I've got a bonus tip for you, and that is that you should know that Chargent has an entire set of tools to help you set up a payments portal inside of the Salesforce Experience Cloud. Reach out to us today to learn more about the Chargent Lightning Web components for the Experience Cloud. And now, I want you to check out this next video here. I'll see you over there. And my name is Micaiah, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And remember, we are always here to help.